Hello, my name is Shawna Moulton, and I'm a multidisciplinary artist and art educator based in Miami, Florida. Today, I'm in my studio at the Bakehouse Art Complex, and I want to share with you a really cool project I got to be a part of, and that's the Let's Make Paper book by Arnold Grummer, featuring a classic technique on tin can paper making. What's tin can paper making, you may ask? That's making paper using tin cans. At home, in your kitchen, in your backyard, you do not need a studio space or any fancy materials to make your first sheet of paper. Would you like to make paper with me? Follow for more.